Hello, Yuan. So in this video, let us talk about a easy level problem from LeetCode. The problem name is account balance after rounded purchase. So let us cover the problem statement. It says that you initially have a bank account of balance $100. You are given an integer purchase amount representing the amount you will be spending on a purchase in dollars. So you have $100 in your account and you have to buy something which has a amount of purchase amount. At the store where you will make the purchase amount is rounded down to the nearest multiple of 10. Okay, in other words, you will pay a non-negative amount, round amount, such that round amount is a multiple of 10 and this value is minimized. So in simple terms, you just have $100 in your account, you will go and buy a purchase amount, and that purchase amount is rounded down to a multiple of 10. The only thing is that if there are more than one multiple of 10, the largest multiple is chosen. Let's take an example here that if you have 15, so let's say you have 9, I just have to find out return the amount of integers denoting your balance account, your account balance, whatever is the account balance after taking this purchase amount. Okay, that's the whole problem statement. Let's take some examples, pretty much very simple only, but let's take some examples. So as you can see that you have 100 rupees in your bank account. You purchase an amount like item of $9. Now it has to be rounded down to a multiple of 10, the closest multiple. So 9 is converted to 10. And when you buy an item worth of 10 from the account of 100, the amount left in your account is 90. So that's the answer. But let's say when you're 15, you buy an item of worth $15, it will round it down to either, like it can round it down to 10 or 20, because it has to round it down to a value which is closer to it. 9 can be rounded down to 0 or 10. Okay, but the closer one is 10. Similarly, 15 can be rounded down to 10 and 20, but you have to make the one that is a larger multiple. So you will take 20. You will take 20. So you'll buy an item worth of 20 from a balance of 100. You will left with 8. Okay, so it's pretty much simple now. You have given an item. You have to find out what is the closest round value of it to 10. So how you can find it out? You can do a modular of modulus of it, whatever is the remainder of it. So just take the value and mod it with 10. You will get some value. This remainder value will tell you how much close it to 10, like how much it is closest to 10. Now, if the value is between 1 to 4, then you have to round it down. If it is from 5 till 10, not 10, sorry, 9, or sorry, it is from 0 till 4, you have to round it down. If it's from 5 till 9, you have to round it up. Pretty much simple. That's the complete thing. And you just have to find out what's the rounded value, then subtract it from 100, and that's the complete logic that you have the remainder balance after deducting that much amount. So why it is done? Why? Because when we do a modulus with 10, it will give you some remainder. Remainder means how much is like remaining when you divide, like when you do a modular with 10, okay? And that is the remainder part. Now, if the remainder is smaller than 10, like smaller than, sorry, from 0 till 4, which means that it is on the lower side. It is closer to the multiple of 10, which is closer, is the lower 10 multiple. So you have to round it down. If it is from 5 to 9, as you can see, 5 is taken to be on the higher side. The 5 till 9, all the others are closer to the higher multiple of 10. So you have to round it up and to the multiple of 10, and you just have to find out the answer. That's pretty much simple. So what we have done in the logic part or the code part here is that you have to find out how much is left. The left part is remainder. If it is less than 5, you have to round it down. So we have to subtract the left amount from the purchase amount so that we are rounding it down. And if it is above, greater than equal to 5, you have to round it up. So we are rounding up. So this is subtracting out, rounded it down, rounded it up. And then in the end, we have the final purchase amount that we have spent. You can call it to be the rounded amount or purchase amount, what you can say. And then you have to subtract it from 100. That's it. So that's a complete logical code part for this particular problem. If you still have any doubts, you can comment down in the comment box on this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Let's keep coding and bye.